Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, I am Muhammad Abdullah Murad Chaudhary, Senior Lecturer, Department of Agriculture Studies, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Let's go for today's online lecture.
Chapter 2, Section 1. Chapter name is Soil Related Agriculture Technology, and this section name is Soil Acidity and Alkalinity. This is quite a little bit tough for you because maximum scientific term you can get in this section, and this is the first lecture of this section. After complete this section, we will able to understand the soil pH, acidity of soil, alkalinity of soil. That means details about soil pH, then details about acidity of soil, and then alkalinity of soil. First of all, concepts of soil pH. pH means power of hydrogen. This pH comes from Greek word which is pondas, and that means is weight. That means pH means weight, concentration, quantity of hydrogen ion. This hydrogen ion comes from water. That means the sign of water is H2O. And when you this H2O, that means water, react with other chemical, that time it breaks down two portion. One is hydrogen ion and the other one is hydroxyl ion, which I'll show you later. So the pH scale limit is 0 to 14. Sometimes you can get 1 to 14 in some books, but the majority is 0 to 14, and the pH limit is pH unit is gram per liter. So what will be the definition of soil pH? Basically, soil reaction is a chemical property. One of the indicators of chemical property of soil is pH. So soil pH may be defined as the negative logarithm hydrogen ion concentration in soil, where the formula is pH equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration equal, or you can say log 1 by hydrogen ion concentration. So if you first memorize the formula, then you can easily write down the definition, which is soil pH may be negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. This one is called hydrogen ion concentration. So now what will be the classification of soil pH? According to the soil pH, the soil might be in three categories, which is the acidic soil, alkaline soil, and neutral soil. Acidic soils pH is less than 7, that means below 7. Alkaline or basic soil pH is more than 7, that means 7 to 14, and neutral soil is 7, but sometimes you can get some books 6.5 to 7.5, but the neutral soil is basically 7. Classification of soil. Here I told you before there will be three type of soil. If you have a look this picture, both pictures are the same, but the smaller one and the larger one. So if you have a look, acidic, neutral, and alkaline, where indication is 0 to 7 is acidic soil, 7 to more than 7, that means till 14 is alkaline or basic soil, which is 7 is neutral soil. Here is the same as well. Acidic soil 0 to 7, and more than 7, that is 8 to 14 is alkaline soil, and neutral soil is 7. This scale, pH scale, is very important. You can get this type of questions as a stem in your creative questions, like might be they just mention you the acidic soil and neutral soil, and this one will be blank, and you have to understand this one is alkaline soil. So very carefully observe this picture. So what is acidic soil? Acidic soil means when concentration of hydrogen ion is higher than the concentration of hydroxyl ion in soil solution. I told you before, the hydrogen ion and the hydroxyl ions comes from water, which is H2O, and when the water react with other chemical, that time this breakdown is two portion. One is hydrogen ion concentration, the other one is hydroxyl ion concentration. So in the soil, when hydrogen ion concentration is more, that is called acidic soil. So availability of nutrients on the soil depends on the acidity of soil. So what will be the characteristics of acidic soil? First one is pH of acidic soil is less than 7, that means below 7. Bacteria and actinomycetes activities decrease in acidic soil, that means their activity is become zero at the moment, and sometimes, and activity of fungus in increase, that means in the acidic soil fungus activity will be increase. Then some nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur and other micronutrients increase in soil, that means in the acidic soil. Availability of iron, zinc, boron, copper, cultivated manganese increase in soil, that means in the acidic soil iron, zinc, boron, copper and manganese availability, that means quantity, increase in the soil. So we can get iron, zinc, boron, copper, manganese is available in the acidic soil. Availability of calcium and magnesium in soil decreases, that means in the acidic soil you will not get calcium and magnesium in the soil if the acidity pH level is more in the soil. Increase of iron and aluminum, which can be created poison in soil solution, that means in the acidic soil iron and aluminum create the poison in the soil, that means if the aluminum and iron increase more in the acidic soil, that time soil solution become poisonous, where production will be less. In the acidic soil, not all type of crop is cultivated. You cannot cultivate all type of crops. Some types of crops you can cultivate in the acidic soil, that means you can cultivate acidic soil different crops, but the production will be not as expected. So this type of crops like tea, pineapple, orange, coffee, lime, this type of crop is produced more in the acidic soil and give the best production in the acidic soil. Next is alkaline or basic soil. What is alkaline soil? When hydroxyl ion concentration is more or higher in the soil is called alkaline soil, that means hydroxyl ion concentration is more in the alkaline soil and hydrogen ion concentration is more in the less in the alkaline soil. So always remember that hydroxyl ion concentration is more in the alkaline soil and hydrogen concentration is more in the acidic soil. So what will be the characteristics of alkaline soil? pH value of alkaline soil is more than 7, that means the value of pH in the alkaline or basic soil is 7 to 14. Then boron and zinc in alkaline soil will be decreased day by day. When the in the alkaline soil, when the alkaline soil is more pH like 13 14, that time boron and zinc you will not get in the alkaline soil, which is not good. Increased sodium, which can be create poisonous effect in soil, that means in the alkaline soil sodium is increased, then the soil will be become poisonous, that means production of any different type of crops will not be as expected. Solubility of iron and manganese decrease, that means in the alkaline soil iron and manganese solution will be decreased, that means you will not get iron and manganese in the alkaline soil. Activity of microorganism decrease, different type of microorganism like fungus, bacteria, virus, so activity is decreasing. This is very harmful for the soil because microorganism increase the fertility in the soil. amount of organic matter decreases. That means organic matter when increasing the pH value in the alkaline soil, that means soil become alkaline, that time organic matter like different type of organic matter will be decreased in the alkaline soil. Calcium and magnesium increase in the alkaline soil, that means you will get availability in the calcium and magnesium in the alkaline soil. Exchangeable sodium remains more than 15% in the alkaline soil. Different type of crops will not grow in the alkaline soil. Only specific crops like coconut, betel nut, sugarcane, date and pulse types crops you can cultivate in alkaline or basic soil. But you can cultivate all type of crops in the alkaline soil, but you will not get the expected production from that crops. That is why better to cultivate this type of crops in the alkaline soil like coconut, betel nut, sugarcane, date and pulse type crop. MCQ. We can get this type of MCQ from this section like what is the pH below acidic soil? Answer is below 7 or less than 7. And creative questions like explain the characteristics of alkaline soil. So you can get this question for 2 marks as well.
My dear students, thank you very much for watching today's online lecture. If you got any problem, contact your subject teacher. They must help you, and stay safe and stay home. Thank you very much.